In a stunning escalation of trade tensions, President Trump has announced a record-breaking 104% tariff on Chinese goods. As the world watches, the stakes have never been higher. What does this unprecedented move mean for American consumers, businesses, and the delicate balance of international relations? Today, we explore the implications of Trump's aggressive tariff threats and China's vow to retaliate as we dive into Trump hits China with record 104% tariffs. What happens next? As markets react to the news, it's crucial to understand the context of Trump's tariff threats. The president has long accused China of unfair trade practices, including intellectual property theft and currency manipulation. With the announcement of a staggering 104% tariff on a wide range of Chinese imports, he has set the stage for a significant shift in U.S. China trade relations. This aggressive tariff increase is not merely a tactical maneuver. It is a calculated strategy aimed at reshaping the economic landscape. By imposing such a steep tariff, Trump hopes to compel China to negotiate trade agreements that favor American interests. The goal is clear: to protect American jobs and industries from what he describes as unfair competition. However, the reality is that these tariffs could lead to higher prices for American consumers, affecting everything from electronics to clothing. The potential impact on consumers is profound. Higher tariffs mean that everyday items could see substantial price increases. A smartphone that costs $800 today could skyrocket to $1,600 as tariffs take effect. This scenario raises critical questions about the sustainability of Trump's approach to trade and its long-term effects on the American economy. As the implications of these tariffs unfold, one thing is clear: American consumers will feel the effects almost immediately. Retail prices are likely to rise, leading to inflationary pressures that could alter spending habits across the country. Consider the impact on household budgets. Families may find themselves grappling with rising costs, forcing them to make difficult choices about their spending. As the price of imported goods climbs, consumers might delay purchases or seek alternatives, leading to a slowdown in retail sales. This could create a domino effect, harming the very domestic industries the tariffs were designed to protect. Experts warn that the political ramifications could be significant as well. With midterm elections on the horizon, rising consumer prices could lead to public discontent, putting pressure on the Trump administration to reconsider its tariff strategy. The question remains: will the administration be able to navigate this economic landscape without facing backlash from the voters? As Trump's administration takes a hardline approach, China has vowed to retaliate. This retaliation could take many forms, with the Chinese government preparing to impose its own tariffs on American goods. The stakes are high, and the potential for a trade war looms large. China's response is not limited to tariffs. It also aims to strengthen its trade relationships with other nations. By deepening ties with countries in Europe, Africa, and Asia, China seeks to offset the impact of U.S. tariffs and diminish American influence in the global marketplace. This strategic maneuvering raises concerns about the future of U.S. exports and the position of American businesses abroad. As China diversifies its trade partnerships, the implications for U.S. foreign policy are profound. Countries that rely heavily on trade with China may begin to shift their alignments, creating a more fragmented global trade landscape. The long-term consequences of this pivot could be far-reaching, affecting everything from economic policies to military alliances. The trade tensions between the United States and China are not just economic issues. They are geopolitical ones that could reshape global alliances. The ramifications of escalating tariffs extend beyond mere trade disputes, influencing international relations on a broader scale. Countries around the world are closely monitoring the situation, and many may find themselves caught in the middle. Southeast Asian nations, for instance, could face pressure to choose sides as they navigate their relationships with both superpowers. The potential for a realignment of global trade partnerships raises significant questions about the future of international cooperation as China strengthens its ties with other nations. The balance of power in the global economy may begin to shift. Countries that see an opportunity to benefit from closer relations with China may pivot away from the United States, leading to a new world order where China plays a more central role in global trade. This shift could redefine economic dynamics, impacting everything from trade policies to diplomatic negotiations. As we consider the long-term consequences of Trump's tariff threats, it's essential to recognize that the effects will not be felt overnight. The implications of such drastic economic measures can take years to fully materialize. One potential outcome is the rise of protectionism on a global scale. If both the United States and China continue to escalate tariffs, we could see a trend toward isolationism, with countries retreating from international trade agreements. This shift could stifle economic growth worldwide, leading to a decrease in global commerce. Conversely, if diplomatic efforts succeed in easing tensions, we might witness a new era of cooperation between the United States and China. Successful negotiations could pave the way for mutually beneficial trade agreements that prioritize stability and collaboration. The outcome will depend on the ability of both nations to navigate this complex landscape and find common ground. The long-term implications of this trade war will also influence future administrations. If tariffs lead to economic instability, the political landscape could shift dramatically, resulting in new leadership that may either continue or reverse these policies. In the face of these economic uncertainties, consumers may wonder what actions they can take to mitigate the impact of rising prices. Staying informed is paramount. By understanding how tariffs affect the products they buy, consumers can make more informed purchasing decisions. One way to navigate this challenging environment is to support local businesses. By choosing products made domestically, consumers can help protect American jobs and industries from the fallout of international trade disputes. Additionally, diversifying purchases can help families adapt to price changes. If certain products become too expensive, seeking alternatives can promote competition among manufacturers and potentially lead to better prices. Engaging in discussions about trade policies is another essential step. Consumers can voice their opinions and concerns, influencing the narrative around tariffs and trade agreements. Whether through social media, community forums, or direct conversations with policymakers, every engagement counts. In conclusion, Trump's 104% tariffs on Chinese goods represent a bold and controversial move in the ongoing trade war between the United States and China. As the repercussions unfold, both consumers and businesses must navigate the uncertain waters of international trade. The implications extend beyond economics, influencing geopolitics and consumer behavior alike. If you found this exploration of tariffs and their potential consequences insightful, please like this video and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of current events. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think will happen next in this trade saga? Until next time, stay informed and keep questioning the world around you.